This Vasudharini deity story, actually Buddha period time. So the maybe I think so. The Mahayana tradition, Sutarayana also maybe have. So the Nalanda also Vasudharini and Zambala. The Ajanta Alora also have Vasudharini and Zambala. Then very close to Calcutta, they have Ranagri, the famous of the Kalachara, the root teacher, Chilu Pendita. He started and established of Ranagri. So Ranagiri have also have the Vasudharini and Zambala, many statues. For this case, Vajrayana, definitely the Kiryatandara also have, the Charyatandara also have, Yogatandara also have, the High Yogatandara. There, either this Vasudharini, this deity, very communication that have. For this case, that today we are do Vasudharini is wealth deity. So this is the ancient, the Kanjur insight. They also have the ancient, the Nalanda or the Ranagiri, so forth. So there definitely the Nagarjuna, so forth, they practice definitely. For this case, I give this Vasudharini deity permission. So this may be useful to this life, personally also benefit, social or community also benefit, the flourishing of Buddha Dharma, those are definitely the benefit. Not only there's what call this life, that future enlightenment, until enlightenment also very important. Why? So we wish the enlightenment is through the next life, the many numbers next life. So the human birth, next life, that. So that time should need great knowledge, great wealth, not obstacle of this Dharma practice. So those very important. For this case, the Vasudharini is this life, next life, social and personally, and either very important. So that meaning is that. That just now, anyway, we are Buddha Dharma practitioner, particular Mahayana practitioner. For this case, should need refuge and bodhicitta. The refuge is entering of Buddha Dharma. Bodhicitta is entering of Mahayana. So, if text is Mahayana text, but practitioner personally not have bodhicitta, great compassion. So this interesting not have. Then how many there's Mahayana text is, the reciting of not can do Mahayana entering. For this case, we should need refuge and bodhicitta, very important. For this case, we do Sangye Chodang Soji Chonam La, so forth. There's one sentence together, recitation. Sangye Chodang Soji Chonam La, Chanju Pardo Dane Kyausu. Dagi Jinsu Gebe Chonon Gi Drola Penj Sangye Drubara Shu Sangye Chod Soji Chonon La Chanju Bardo Dane Kyausu Dagi Jinsu Gebe Chonon Gi Drola Penjir Sangye Drubara Shu Sangye Chodan Soje Chodan La Chanju Bardu Dane Gyausu Je Dagi Jinsu Gebe Chonangi Drola Penjir Sangye Drubara Shu. Okay, just now they remove obstacle there, the gate door, I do recitation. The gate door tangi in the chance toma kare chik chumbaya that was chirona rangi duge pamile rangi duge pamile was to so to do no Samanda, Hoi Shikibe Metamba, Marin de Mungatanges, Shetan Shinji Baton Jenjon, Bawa Chimo Bazenda Bajan, Lontes and Bedano, Ribe Jaboto, Shuso, London de Vele, the General and Revetan Jiji, Shego, Medama, Godaran, Sabara, Pewara Sigara, Badizayaso, Bema Gamalai, Medama, Godaran, Sabara, Gam. Wandin bube du alogi gende ne shada badizai o junyo nombani menga nyele jiden jebe sunya me tala gebe jije kudamba jujam babe zola cha zalo yishi shibe none mai ja gui jalo sajanga na sungaro dudon debe ne malo wando dola cha zalo la be shiroba gebe chonja na zo chana na nyomodo zen Rudu Jenji Janla Jana Gabe Medan Babe Lonjana Baba Dada Jango Ninda Babe Jenji Damegi Givosa Panzala Jana Madrasa Lodon Junde Jonya Chavazi Ngabanga Ruda Doshi Proje Gizo Dula Jana Jibe Honda Nedushin Gena Malunjom Muju Tonje Zavela Gigi Dala Chanze De Omeda Menda Gundale Hana Be Omaso Baba Sheda Sava So Baba Shoda, Domba Nidu Juru Dombe, Angala Dula Rumboje, Ne Yanshin Yachavanaje, Nando Oma Vedu, Shuvalaj, Oma Vedu, Shuvalaj, Gigi Domana, Domama, Sava Maybe, Shiki to the Gazo Chamburuj, Oma, Rangi, Tugi, Pamile, Tende, Duzandina, Jena, Samambola, Badu Jabrazan, Gigi, Zona, Kubara, Gro, Masavan, Namasavatan. Mayumi Shumuka Savate Gangana Barana Himanga Ganaka Giana Dambalenda is Omasawambe Namesavana Dangada Mayumi Shumuka Savate Gangana Barana Himanga Ganaka Giana Dambalenda is Omasawambe Namesavana Dangada Mayumi Shumuka Savate Gangana Barana Himanga Ganaka Giana Dambalenda is Sumbani Sumba Giana 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 Anayo Bangavi Bidearanza Hombe, Omasumba Nesba, Giana Baya, Anayo Bangavi Haranza Hombe, Omasumba Nesumba, Giana Baya, Anayo Bangavi Miara Hombe, Wanjang Basajala Neve, Halazo Vegizokunji, and the Nender. Jano Jova, Gentleman, Denison, Rovaje, Gadana, Galenda, Jana, Bawa, Savajan, and Jagan, Alavan, Jova, the Meza. Namo, Zavada, Java, Bandela, Tamban, the Manasaji, Chigi, Kadamana, Gindia, Kadamana, the Shishavana, Doja, Darambush, Pamana, Legi, Reso, Jovadam, and Nimboda, Jaja, Sangada, Nagalaya, Cabara, Hamu no jume al hazo koda jaban yo gosundu samala na tembache bechin jala bala dene tin de duja dinam la jana samu bo ala badu je brazan begi ge zo kan bada chujinga do ma ja jambo ne zum rana su su ne su son shi mo sumban hong ga na ga ya na ba ya ga na ba ya na yo ho ba ga bi ran zo om pe om ba da mi do kun la hana hana om ba da mi do kun Om benza me da gundala hana hana om be jadara da madun jene al hana jene rusu da la yeje tishin da ki chui gyu om savata da ga da be ge ngade samaya shir ahum the obstacle removed torma this ritual is finished. That just now we are received the permission. That time, what kind motivation? This is most important. Motivation is most important. For this case, what kind need motivation? Usually, we are Buddha Dhamma practitioner. For this case, daily we are each day morning time. What type need motivation? So this is very important. Actually, we are text inside the important three: renunciation, bodhicitta, and the defense of the root of defense, the emptiness, depending, erasing emptiness. So those are very important. The great, they understand yes or not, and also believe the religion, yes or Buddha Dharma, believe or non-believe. The most important is meaningful life is very important. The meaningful life inside, what type need meaningful? The life, what type need? So, good heart, this is great compassion, basic of great compassion, good heart. So this is very important. The whole mother sending being cherishing, this is very important. Self-discipline are very important. Also, the less desire, that is important. Also, there's what called passion, very important. Those are almost just now I talked this 4 or 5 self-cherish, what called whole mother sending being cherishing, or great compassion, root of great compassion. This is one. Also, the what called the self-discipliner, passion, then less of desire. So this 4, that 4 is very important. We are every day we saw in the news TV, television. So there are many problems. So problem comes from this 4 less, then definitely problem that's happened that. If our human being, therefore, should what call practice or that, then less of what call problem. Definitely, we say Buddha Dhamma, they have the karma result of karma relation. So this is self-disciplinary, very communication. If self-disciplinary, good have, there no problem personally, no problem on country, no problem on the what called there's city of the village of that. So very important. Social and personally, both are very important. Then, so just now, the scientists of new technology much developed. So that time, we are human being. There's inside the another person of respect and kindly. So that is very important. So those are looks like a foundation. Then foundation. Then we special Buddha Dharma, the refuge of Buddha, refuge of Dharma, refuge of Sangha. So then that refuge means which is the suffering that what called the renunciation. This is samsara. Samsara means samsara is not another place. Samsara is our death, cause of delusion and karma, result and death. We are the five aggregate of death is samsara. If we the delusion mind, then that comes karma relation. If cured, then we achieve of the nirvana or what called liberation. For this case, we should need practice that type. Not this only. Oneself, this dream, not like suffering, wish of happiness, similar, whole mother said similar. For this case, not only oneself liberation is not enough. So whole mother setting being also just now is getting suffering. For this suffering's liberation, so purpose, I wish to Buddha realization of Buddha. So that we should need just now motivation. So then, just now motivation that thinking that benefit for the teacher also, the wealth of deity Vasudharine, their Torma place also the jewels was and castle inside the jewels throne on there's the Vasudharine yellow face yellow color body and one face two arm what called right hand the giving to chok means chok ngudu chok supreme what called this so this left hand is
hello, right hand is a mudra of supreme giving.
Oh yes, the left hand is this holding of rice, that one.
Right hand, left hand is holding a rice plant, and still on the plants.
So they're thinking the postation is already did, then the washing is already did. That just now mandala offering. So briefly mandala offering. The throne of the gang such big danchi dashana, throne of such big. Just now supplication. Please repeat that. Doji Zimba Gongsu So.
Doji Zimba Gongsu So.
Dane Dola Pendun Tu.
Dane Dola Pendun Tu.
So Chen Kela Sonde Gi.
So Chen Kela Sonde Gi.
Malu Jena Zedu So.
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 That just no supplication is finished. So after
Rinpoche, can I explain a little bit? They're not sure. Please, everybody should by now feel that this temple is like a castle, like what Rinpoche used castle, but the term is a divine palace, mandala palace.
Pure land.
Pure land. Yeah, and Rinpoche is Vasundharani deity, one face, two arm. Okay, and is the deity of female deity of granting. Okay, is our wealth and everything that we need in this life, and dharma and social life, and so the Thomas also the deity. So also we need to feel that. So Rinpoche himself is the deity, Thomas is deity. This is the temple. The temple is the pure land. So this is the thing that we have to be very, very clear now. So I think some of you didn't understand what Rinpoche said, so I thought to explain.
That just now we are receive of bodhicitta foundation, permission, foundation on permission. So that bodhicitta receive of bodhicitta. This bodhicitta means great compassion, loving kindness. That's root of that. Then I should realization, future realization of Buddha, call it. For this is bodhicitta, the meaning is that one. For this case, the bodhicitta is very important. The bodhicitta, what call? Buddha Shakyamuni, our root teacher. Buddha Shakyamuni himself, years before, first developed bodhicitta. Then 3 years, then take 6 perfection, 6 paramita. Then he is qualified of Buddha enlightenment. Similar, until now, the ordinary person, but I wish to similar to Buddha what kind the path of that I should follow and do that. So I should do the Buddha following, Buddha Shakyamuni following. So this motivation keep this important. So then Bodhisattvas take with this recitation of repeat. Konjo sumla dakyavchi digba thamje soso sha drove gela jeye rang sanje chanchu yigi song. Okay, this is first line. The first, then second. There one sentence. The one hand konjo sumla dakyavchi means refuge. Digba thamje soso sha means what called purifying the negative. Then Drave Gel Jera means rejoice of the great things. Then Sanje Chanju Yigi Sung means part of that Sanje Chanju Yigi Sung means today I received it Bodhisattva verbs until enlightenment. So that's first sentence means the brief is that. Please repeat second and third. Konjo sumla da gyavchi diba thamje soso sha drove gela jeye ra sangye chanchu yigi sung. This is second. That just now third of sangye chanchu yigi sung. That time well, I received it, the Bodhisattva verbs. So you should motivation do that. Then third of repeat that. Konjo sumla da gyavchi digba thamje soso sha drove gela jeye rang sangye chanchu yigi sung. So Sanje Chanju Yigi Sung, there's motivation should need there's what called advice or moral. The moral essence is if I can, the another sentient being, should I help? Either not can help, I must do not harm to another sentient being. So that is motivation, very important. This is the finish of Bodhisattva verbs, taking of Bodhisattva verbs finish. That just now the visualization of the self-deity, disabled personally self-deity. So personal self-deity, what called generation is ordinary being transform Vasudharini, not possible. For this case, should visualization emptiness. Emptiness means not empty. Emptiness is inherently existent, not have. Should there's have dependent arising. Definitely, all phenomena dependent arising definitely. For this case, not have inherently existent. So this is emptiness, meaning is that. Meaning understand? Then I am also not have inherently existent. There's a dependent arising. Should understand the dissolve the ordinary body form is dissolved in the emptiness. Then emptiness understanding mind, the cause of emptiness understanding mind, the first lotus seed, then moon seed, Moon city over there's palm, yellow palm letter. That is one salab. There's mind, cause of mind, emptiness, understand mind, cause of that yellow palm letter. Yellow palm letter, the change of palm, then the Vasudharine. Before I told one pass two arm, yellow color, this female deity. Oh, this you should need. I am Vasudharine. Also understanding that also not have inherent accident, that also different arising. So this emptiness and the clear understanding deity. So this is very important. Please should do that. I do recitation. Om Benzami Da Gundale Hana Hana Hom Be Om So Bava Shuddha Savadama So Bava Shuddha Ham Om So Bava Shuddha Savadama So Bava Shuddha Ham Om So Bava Shuddha Savadama So Bava Shuddha Ham Loma Na Mimi Be Tomba Nidu Gyur Tombe Ngale Tombe Ngale Tombe Ngale Dombe ngale chinang gyung obonan tamje mimi dongba ni du gyuro dombe ngale pamle pema da ale dawe ting du pamle kena nam hamun no yuma kundo semo sheji chani ye chojing gi tenna no bu charam beba yen regi nyama rabdu geba da rumboche chungwa zen ba shab sebe kemo jung shu ba gijing lamso pa ta da rumboche gemba wo 타고로도 너바 몰라서 ter기 다음에 초 탐제다 띵기 차라 산계다 전주 산바 탐제 슈거를 교회. That just now I recitation similar the on salap there's Vasudharini deity, there's visualization do that. The above of the what called five family Tathagata, five family Tathagata. Also around there have the 8 Bodhisattva. The upper side, the bottom side, the Yakyas or the many male and female, the Zambala, so forth, the wealth deity around. Maybe 16, the 8 male deity, 8 female deity, the 16 deity also around. Visualization, do that. The top of the forehead, there's white om letter, the throat, there's red a letter, the heart of blue home letter. That is significant of body, speech, mind. Actually, Buddha is unseparable body, speech, mind. The same of one call it. The significance of that, Om and Ah and Home. This is represent that. Please, you should do that. That then, real permission. They have 3 category: body body permission, speech permission, heart permission. That 3. The first teacher side, there's the heart of their have the blue home letter. They lightly the 10 direction. Then the 10 direction Buddha and Bodhisattva. There's shape of the Vasudharini, wealth of deity Vasudharini, some kind very large shape, some very tiny shape. So looks like similar to raining, snow falling or raining, or similar to that. 10 direction Buddha and Bodhisattva, the Vasudharini comes from there's 10 direction, then dissolve oneself, the forehead, the Om letter, that's dissolved. So that time, 3 times, deed, body, negative action, that's removed. Then future, the visualization or practice, the Vasudharini deity, and also 10 direction Bodhisattva and Buddha, the body initiation, permission, receive visualization, do that. Lobengi tukane vese tu ge lai tuju gu te tukane vese tu choju sangye da janju samba tamji ge tuju gu loben da dunji ge la da choju sangye da janju samba tamji ge tukane hamo no gyu ma khor da je ba kuchi jung pa do me ba kyaran nam ge babu bukane chara ba ba shin do sisu de me ba je om basu darin so om basu darin so om basu darin om basu darin so om basu darin so om basu darin so om basu darin so om basu darin Om basu darin so om basu darin toma tiji goguye be surshito Om basu darin so om basu darin so om basu darin so om basu darin so om basu darin Om basu darin so 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 om basu darin Om basu darin so 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 om basu darin Om basu darin so 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 om basu darin Om basu darin so om basu darin so om basu darin so om basu darin so om basu darin Om basu darin so 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 om basu darin Om basu darin so 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 om basu darin Om basu darin so 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 zao bamo zao bamo zao bamo zao bamo zao hum bamo ho nisu me baratim am tingsha gi tholche yang lobe gi to kan wese jo wangge ha nam je na chira no yelo man dinam long ba wa gu zo she so do om be ba wa bi khen za hu she sun shin wa gu ku ga zma da chue la ma ya lu rin chen jun den gi u gyam bar ju che dara ta ma zong na la na gen ru zo da la ye jun da ba de shi da gu om sa wa ta da ga da be khen ga de sa ma ya shi re ya da the scroll of the Rena Sambhava, yellow color, there's hand position that this give of this supreme
giving.
Supreme giving. So this position, there's Rena Sambhava, there's scroll of this.
So feel your crown is you are crowned by Ratnasambhava sitting on the crown. Yellow, golden yellow in color with the mudra of giving.
Oh yes, that this is body permission is already finished. That just now speech permission. Speech permission means the teacher side, the Vasudharini, the Shashu. Teacher side Vasudharini, the heart of the and moon disk. The moon disk, the center of this yellow palm letter. Yellow palm letter around Om Vasudharini, so clock round. So there lightning and nectar together come to teacher side mouth and disabled side come in the mouth. Then put in the disabled oneself the Vasudharini, the heart moon disk on their letters. So visualization, do that, then repeat this mantra. First I recitation. Oh, that Lubengi toga ne wese chebe dunji ge la ye tuju guru de toga de kinguru gi so pami gitar ngandin ge ko bala ngandin ge ba shun shane de kera nam gi she du shu ninge pami sebo la ne bala tin tene chuju sangge de chuju ba ji kende nu ba tam je wese ge na ngandin dan hen ji du sha du shu pe ninge sabe la timbar ma ba je. Please repeat this. Om Vasudarini Soha. Om Vasudarini Soha. Om Vasudarini Soha. Oh, that is. Just now I do oral transmission of Sutar, Vasudarini Sutar, Kanjuri inside Sutar. The oral transmission should need that tradition. For this case, please listen to oral transmission, Vasudarini Sutara. Yagarage do Arya Basudarana Namadarane Pege do Hova Norgi Gushe Javasong Sanyeda Chus Matanjala Chaselo Nige Dagi to Batujo Namachunde Yuko Shambina. Sama jen she jawe ne cho chen bo na gelong aja zaman je gelong gi due bo da chang ju sen bo sama ju san ji gi ne ma do mo bo da da je do ju de te ze ko shan bi rong ge che bo na chen da da mo she ja ong bo nye wo shi wo yi nye wo shi wo pu po da pu mo ma Sami Mambo Tang De Mbaba Te Jing Chira Wadama Shi Wanet Chumden De Kalawa Dreson De Vechin Chumden De Yi Shaval Go Cha Chala De Len Bumtra Tu Marako Che Cha Cho Ji Du Du Cho Ji Du Du Kinda Andava Sambi Chumden De La De Ji So Du Ka De Shu Ne Shuwa Lung Den Be Le Du Chumden De Ye Da La Ka Che Na Chumden De Ti Bata Chaba Yanda Ba Su San Je La Da Cho Ga Shi Shu La So Te Ge Je So what on Jundan de Janda do someone the Gizaka do Janda Chitan Chido Tishi do Chugi Chid Trivi Tualun Tem Chugi Sem Rangbara Chow Tige Gaza the Kiza was Jundan de la Les was one Jundan de Gaza Jundan de la the Giz Jumdan de Rigi Bori Jepomo Uruburu Chua no de Ua my Jiva Shin Tronegi Tabo no Tronelli Chiva La Tene Junju Wala Tene Jumden de Kenshin do Kinda and was one of the Giga Kimda Juji Teacher Ubu Tenji Tige Gaza June Kinda and was on the Gigi Sodo Dane Uwa Mawa Dan Soa Mawa Dan Pupoda Bumama Sami Mambo Dan Demala the Tile to Kangi Simjen Uwan the Manje Uwa Machi Waranjo Wadan Nege Taba Namatune, Machu Jordan, Noradaman, Zudan, Ponzu, Mambodan, the Majuadan, Duadan, Midu, Tona Idu, Tabadan, one chu. Do Jordan, Jinan, Tebe, Ministration, Yidan, Seradan, Udamas, Majadan, Nordan, Druyan, Jordan, Ponzu, and Madan, Novudan, Medida, Meditan, Durjitan. Bindruya dama thunda meshe dama chiruda salaya dama 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 khatala dama jawran juwa dama kimgi phime dama samin nam tembran juwe chige dama de jumden de lebrashe do so de so jumden de kinda dawa samlan de ka zala kinda da ngön debe tu kimda ngön debe tu kawa changme ba de bra juwa ti che ti tu no jumden de ti bra yan ba 저부터 저서 뭐도 보시면 지대니 뭐 제우도 와 칼로기로와 라나면 하다면 뭐 산지 좀 되는데 도지 참 잠소양 셰저 지대도 좋은데 지부 디신셔 뭐들은 윤셰자 숭디 퇴소 숭 신장 라군 추버하지 제소 여러분 제 현다라야 제저야 다 버버도 저부 양에 대럽도 셰브라죠 리게부 Sungandi tu minum number two, Sambara major, Mimai, number two, Sambara major, Nujin, number two, Mamma, number two, Sambara major, Ida, number two, 샤사 나나마 다자마메제 주문 나마 다자마메제 도 주문 나마 다자마메제 제제 나나마 다자마메제 도 노모 나마 다자마메제 도 루수본 나마 다자마메제 도 알하나마 나마라 다자마메제 도 알하마이 나마 다자마메제 세수 메자마스본 세수 진톤 세수 자도 세수 샤스본 세수 나스본 세수 샤스본 세수 간스본 세수 만나스본 세수 돌고네 바보 돈나마 세수 우무바나마 중화사회 바라나마 남바라 차바라면 요로 레제보노 준셰즈바손 레제보더 레제보 뭐 강기 김나 여드마 닝라 여나 여탐 라나 여담 레범도 중암모 tö브라 주노 군도 쳐브라자나 말라노 소모 제수 여러분 셴다라 제제야 야다오데 베르게 부르제부 여러분도 페바다 그바다 두바다 두바다 로레 브란주로 수시거든요 남라 쳐바쳐바다 노지 준게 손데 남체라 레 니섬레 숨맘레 셰도노 데라이 라네 디신셰바다 바가다 쳐 다바 체발라 가다 기도 다바라 체발라 가다 추마와다 가베라베 삼베 다니 원데 드위처럼 나모 벤자 다라 사가라니 사가라 니라고카 야 타타가다야 테야도 옴수라 베바 제 바다바티 앙갈레 망갈레 망갈라 바비티 알레 아찰레 아랄레 아찰발레 उदाकराने ओबो दाने बसुया पन्ने धनापादे दमापरिने ती श्रीमती प्रवापति अमाले भीमाले निरमाले रुरु सुरबेने सूर्य पमले भीमाले चाले अचानाते अन्नते बिनाते वशो केशे विषाणु निक्षी अंगूरे मंगूरे परवनगूरे बिरमारे बिरम में विद्या में रीरे में दीदी में दुदू में खाका में ततारी तरा 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 बेंजे 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 बमे टाके टाके थाके थाके उका का बुका के थाके थरके आवर्ताने परशने शिखा दाने बेंजादारा सगारे ने गोखाना तथा गादा मनुमारा स्वतथा गादा सतया मनुमारा धर्मा सतया मनुमारा संगा सतया मनुमारा तथा दादा पुरु पुरु पुरया पुरया पुराने बरा बराने अमाले सुमंगले शंदा मति शुभमति मंगला बमी ओ महामति भद्रवती परवावती सुचंद्रमती आगे समाया मनुमारा सो अपाराने मनुमारा सो व परवा मनुमारा सो तिथि मनुमारा सो व तेंजो मदि मरा सो व बिंजाया मनुमारा सो व हृदया मनुमारा सो सवसदो बिनाया मनुमारा सो व ओम वसुधरे ओम वसुशिया श्रिया सो ओम श्री बसु सो ओम बसु सो व रिगे बुंदिने नोर्गी गुंशे जावे सुंदे सुंदी तु मुगेदा नेदा चिंगे जोवाम योरगे बु सुशी दि신 वजमयानो बसांजे नमला छबा चेदे नोर्गी गुंगे सुंजे 상하게 쳔데도 누지도 너무되네 모두 예배 돈도다기 김남 생기 김남 내 자매 밤주다 내 강도양 롱아 신시보 제레스 원주다 선 준수도제 상하게 라이 치르 쳔den기 긴고 주시 제데 누지 되나르게보데 김데 노르다 루다 서다 모다 유제 탐제기 규메 제바 창점기 강원한 조로 지보다 너버든지 매 바른 조로를 제보 대지를 교럽도 말로노지 손도 손셔 총셔로 대지 샤다라야 제 rabdu tenjeda lichiji yurumbuda nampamana dvada lole branjro dene chonde ge kinda dawsambul leso sheso kinda dawsambul leso sheso do kinda dawsambul chomden de le nurge gyosonde de simishin gawon gushin ri ran de rabdu gane go yiran de chomden de gishon go sajane chomden de ge de sheso do chomden de da ge no ji je chabe Noji Gyunje Jiwa Lang La Sung Du Sin La Sung La 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 Kunchuba Je La Jesu Yen Wanje La So Shenda Lan Jeje Yang Dabara Tu Temra Je La So Tiki Je Gazal Teki Ji Zamla Kimda Da Sambu Pangzu Nam Norgi Yonso Kangjo Do Tene Kimda Dawa Sambu Chumden De La Bubra Len Bubra Tu Ma Kubaji Chumden De Ge Shala Chumden De Gi Tene Sung De Tene Chumden De Zan 군 거월 가서 군 거비 교송라 군다 다워선 그 김 노르다 류 용수 거 부수 저보다 저 전보다 방주 용수 강화 남 차단데 뭔가 군 거비 좀 된들 예 다른 예네 고샹비 종지를 좀 갈아와도 김도 안 다워선 뭐 김 갈아와들어서 근데 나도 쉬고도 노다 류 용수 강화 부수 저보다 뭐지 부수 저보다 여제 부수 저보다 여제 탐지기 저보다 방주 너무 용수 거 통어 통내 그냥 심신 갈아와 La Gushin Irande Rabdu Gane Gawada Yidoje the Junendal Tenesan Gawal Yatsendu Zinjin Gawada Yidoje Junendal and the Gage Solo Junen the Kangi Kimda and Dawson Normanshin Chimbodan Panzun Yan Nordan Rupons over Guru Yukala Ken Kala Jumden Degi Katsalawa Kungo Rigi Pun Kimda and Dawson 대진 초도 대바 교회 삼바전대 노지 경계 송대 송시라도 원라신 라바라체 제수 이런 제 시달에 제제란도 도므르니 공고 대지의 규기가 노지 경계 송대 총시일 호시 된지 송시 군조지 시달에 제제라도 도므르니 대내교 몽보라 펴면 교 몽보라 대화단지 된기 라닝보다 교 팔보체다 하다 있는 게 대화다 완전히 공고 수시링아 근데 셴도 마와는 하던 저도 두다 저도 상바다 저도 개종 당 참시다 하던 하면 있는데 제외 지금 대내 통 마통어 내니 수도는 레숨도 그냥 가와 제와는 내매도 공고 송기 상하게 증대다게 미체 보이노 공고다 심제 개외 자와 세바는 날문도 다타바야 민규나 레범 라 이길 저바다 이라 송 따지메 티지진 티지부 탐제 제가 송아데네 심제 우보다 내 나조지스보다 지보다 심제 당외 너바 조와 탐제게 돈도 탐제게 송다 다 샤와다 제수에 여러분 rab도 조다 템 나바다 조와다 사반즈니 깨버라자 진gel라 라바다 취기 차제다 보다다 보다네 고와다 보다네 베제 되네 차단데 뭐 공고 되네란데 데 타모자네 제도 조반데 제도 조조 스스 조반데 소로도 상계 좀 되는데 삼예메 교데 산제 최장 삼예메 교 삼이 캬불라 대반남기 넘버 멤버 삼예메 캬불라 시와 지안 캬바담지 기 최기 교보 가시 민가와 이시 바로 줘봐죠 산제 보초로 차차로 되네 스다는 공고 침신 갈라 구신 이런 rab도 가도 가외 이겨와 대화제나 좀 되는 좀 되는데 최기 남란 디네 민치라 네 치다르 송원이 좀 되는 가서 공고원 디네 견다 너송 쉬시 자와 송시 노르다 주다 rum보체 남 제기 떨시 저야 송시 뒤부터 이제 나바 노르기 균기 송시 저야 송시 좀 되는 게 되게 제 가다네 스단데 바 셔리부던선 먹고고다 결론하다 준수되다 탐제단데 뭐 거다 하는 하면 있는데 저지된 일한데 좀 되는 게 숨을 넘어도 파바 노르기 균시 저 송조소 this oral transmission of Vasudharini Sutrayana already finished. That just now thought of mind permission. This torma, this deity torma, their heart of their home letter, this the lightning, their what called jewels and yellow palm letter, many types. This comes from 10 directions. They dissolve the disable heart inside the palm letter dissolve. So that time, previous life, the disturb negative action. So the any kind is removed the 10 direction Buddha and Bodhisattva, the mind blessing everything is received it. This visualization, do that. Dandine dagi dakardo. Dungege hala mugu tung dung da dagi gu chinge labdo so nyam baranze. Dungege haye tugane chanzenge zo badu mebe me ba jangde chende kiranam ye ninge sabenda yeme dunde gu chinge labe me banze. Om basu darin so om basu darin so om basu darin so om basu darin so om basu darin om basu darin so om basu darin so om basu darin so om basu darin om basu darin so ha. So there's the permission already finished it. The finally the so that type samaya what have samaya is Sanskrit word. Samaya what have, that's everything. I keep this promise, do that, please repeat that. Tsuyu chitar kacawa. Tada thamche dagi gi. Okay, that today this Vasudharini permission already finished it. That just now I comes from in United States, then what called transcription, transit in Singapore, the 3 day or that. So that time the Lamla and the disabled, everybody, there's very support to me. So there's I say thank you very much hospitality. So that also usually the Buddha Dhamma tradition very right keep this disabled side and this Buddha Dharma tradition right way, the keeping and also study. That also I rejoice everybody. Future also already before I already told. Just now also I saying the little bit of this Lamrim or the Shantideva, the Shantideva Chunju Bodhisattva, Bodhisattva Chari Avatara. So that those are gradually the study. The study is very important. If study, then thinking, understanding, then meditation. That is three, so the order. So should do that. So I hope that the very quickly the qualified what called any that Teyata, Gate, Paragate, Parasamgate, Bodhi, so that's 5 paths. I pray to that. That just now there's today 10th of December, the 10th of 12th month. So for this case, the Chok Puja, please study Chok Puja. Okay.